Everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. My name is Daedran. Last Friday, the 28th Caribbean American Heritage Awards ceremony was held at the J.W. Marriott in Washington, D.C., with 8 persons being honored for their contribution to their respective fields. Derek Ducky Simpson, founder of Grammy Award-winning group Black Uhuru, received the Marcus Garvey Lifetime Achievement Award for his 50 years of commitment to Jamaican music. Derek started Black Uhuru back in 1972 in the rough Kingston community of Waterhouse. The trio won the first ever Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album back in 1985 for Anthem with Black Uhuru. Black Uhuru is scheduled to release another album in 2023. First held in 1994, the Caribbean American Heritage Awards event has honored numerous Americans of West Indian descent, including actress Cicely Tyson, Jamaican singer Dr. Jimmy Cliff, and Calypsonian and the Mighty Sparrow. Dancehall artist Shenseea and her management are now facing their second copyright infringement lawsuit. Stephanie Sarli, a known Instagram visual artist, vowed back in 2019 to take legal action against the Foreplay singer who allegedly stole her artwork, which was used in her Foreplay music video, which has since been removed from YouTube. The lawsuit was filed on October 31, with Sarli seeking US $150,000 for each alleged infringement, in addition to attorney fees and costs. Now, still on Shenseea's court cases, the artist and her record label Interscope Records are facing a $10 million copyright lawsuit for sampling work produced by Anastas Hackett. Hackett filed the suit alleging that Shenseea and her team used the sample in her track Lick, featuring Megan Thee Stallion, without proper clearance. Now onto the international scene, where pop star Taylor Swift came out on top with 6 wins at the American Music Awards. Last evening, Taylor won all 6 categories in which she was nominated at the 50th award show held at the Microsoft Theater in Los Angeles, including the big one, Artist of the Year. She is the most decorated artist in AMA history, with 40 career wins. Another artist that made a mark at last night's show is Bad Bunny, who was the top nominee with 8 nods. Now, he walked away with 2 awards, with the titles Favorite Male Latin Artist and Favorite Latin Album for Ulverano Cinti. In addition to last night's event, American singer and songwriter Lionel Richie, a 17-time AMA winner, was honored with the Icon Award for his career contribution to the